Hi everyone, and welcome to our tech series for childcare business owners. Today, we're going to explore how to use the Voice Memos app to document important conversations. Recording conversations can be incredibly useful when taking notes isn't an option. By the end of this video, you'll know how to navigate the Voice Memo app, record conversations, save recordings, and understand when it's necessary to record conversations. In this video, we'll cover exploring the Voice Memo app, recording conversations, saving and organizing recordings, and when to use Voice Memos. Voice Memos is an app that is pre-installed on Apple devices. In our demonstration today, we'll be showing that app. If you have an Android, Voice Recorder is a similar audio recording app that you can use that is available on the Google Play Store. Though the app will look a little different, the process will be the same. Let's start by exploring the Voice Memos app. This is what the Voice Memo app will look like on iPhones. Open the app by tapping the icon. You'll see a simple interface with a red record button at the bottom. On an Android device, you can download Voice Recorder from the Google Play Store. The interface is similar, with a prominent record button that allows you to start recording instantly. Recording a conversation with the Voice Memo app is easy. To start recording, simply tap the red record button. Speak clearly and keep the device close to the source of the sound to ensure good audio quality. While recording, you'll see the waveform of the audio being captured. To stop the recording, tap the red button again. To access features such as pausing and restarting the recording, slide up on the new recording window. This gives you access to more playback, pausing, and resuming controls. To pause the recording, tap the pause button. To resume again, tap the red resume button. This allows you to record multiple audio snippets in one file. When you're finished, tap the done button in the bottom right corner. After stopping the recording, it will automatically be saved in the app. To give your recording a specific name, tap on the default title. From here, you can enter a name that describes the content of the recording, such as Staff Meeting July 10th or Parent Conference Smith Family. This will make it easier to find and reference your recordings later. You can also organize your recordings into folders for better management. On the main screen, tap Edit in the top right corner. Select the recordings you want to organize, and then tap the Share button in the bottom left-hand corner. This will bring up a menu that allows you to share or move your recordings. Find and tap the Move to Folder button. You will then be prompted to enter a name for your new folder. You can create new folders and name them according to categories such as meetings, conferences, or notes. This helps you keep your recordings organized and easily accessible. Here are some tips for getting clear recordings. First, hold the device close to the person speaking. This helps capture their voice clearly. Second, minimize background noise. Find a quiet location or use noise-canceling features to ensure the focus remains on the speaker's voice. Third, speak clearly and at a steady pace. Clear enunciation and a consistent speed make the recording easier to understand and transcribe later. Lastly, test the app beforehand to ensure that you know how it works. Familiarize yourself with its features and settings to avoid any technical issues during the actual recording. Knowing when to use Voice Memos can be just as important as knowing how to use the app. Here are some situations where recording conversations can be beneficial. During meetings, capturing detailed discussions and decisions made during staff meetings ensures that nothing is missed and can be reviewed later. In parent conferences, recording important information shared during parent-teacher conferences helps keep accurate records and follow-ups. During field trips and events, documenting conversations and observations when taking notes is impractical allows for thorough reporting and reflection later. Lastly, recording training sessions for future reference and review ensures that valuable information is preserved and can be revisited as needed. It's important to be aware of legal considerations when recording conversations. In many places, you need to inform and get consent from the person you're recording. Always check the laws in your area and make sure that you have the necessary permissions before recording any conversation. For example, you might ask, "Do you mind if I record this conversation for my records?" The Voice Memos app is a powerful tool for documenting important conversations when taking notes isn't an option. By recording, saving, and organizing your conversations, you can ensure that you don't miss any critical details. Remember to always get consent before recording. Give the Voice Memo app a try and see how it can benefit your childcare business.